Okay, here's kind of how things are looking. I only got one bumper shock off. The other bumper shock requires that I remove the air to water intercooler to get in there, and I'm just gonna wait till I'm at the shop to do that. This is just a test fit. Here's how it looks. I think the fender line works pretty well. I think the bumper fit is pretty good. There is a gap. I can work on this, you know, to make this kind of gap fit a little bit better. So that doesn't fit perfect right there. Might fit a little bit better with a little heat. Coming around to the front, the big gap is right here. I'll probably put a rubber flap underneath here to bridge that gap underneath the lights right here. But I think it looks pretty good. It's as close as I can get, basically. And yeah, it's kind of a half the air dam and fender, or air dam and bumper fitment. Okay, I think she's ready to go to the shop and start the head removal. Gonna remove the intake manifold, the head, the turbo, the fuel injection system, put a new head gasket in, tidy up the previous owner's shady wiring practices, and take her out and have some fun. That's the plan. Oh, also strip the weight out of the doors, cut out all extra metal, remove most of the dash components, remove most of the door panels, replace these with Lexane, skin the trunk, skin the roof, skin the doors, fender flares with the bore bay wheels, which need some refinishing, and a 1.5 inch increase in front track and a 2-inch increase in rear track width. So basically when that's done, she'll be ready to do her first little oval race, which will be I don't know, in like a month and a half, something like that, 2 months. So yeah, that's the plan.